here today and entered a not guilty plea in federal court. I want to thank the U.S. Attorney's Office for their professionalism today. I don't agree with their charges, but I do respect their position.
Phil LeVota denying the charges brought against him today in federal court. LeVota entered a not guilty plea to charges and an indictment unsealed today. Thanks for joining us at 9. I'm Bria Leff.
And I'm John Holt. The July 16th indictment alleges a bribery scheme tied to the election of a permanent Jackson County executive. Fox 4 Scott Kilberry live at the federal courthouse downtown where the interim county executive entered his plea today. Scott?
That's right. It happened right inside this building earlier today where he pleaded not guilty. LeVota did, and it stems from an interaction that he had with the county legislator in Duran McGee, who apparently recorded their conversation where LeVota made a job offer.
I've now been charged with offering a job in exchange for McGee withdrawing from the county executive race. I categorically deny that allegation.
Phil LeVota denying the charges against him during a press conference he called on Thursday afternoon. The federal indictment against him include the charges of service fraud, bribery, counts 3 and 4, violation of Travel Act, which deals with how he was communicating, and count 5 is false statement, lying to investigators. Prosecutors allege that LeVota agreed to appoint Duran McGee to Parks Director for a salary of $165,000. In exchange, McGee would drop out of the race for county executive.
There was no allegation at all of offering any money whatsoever. The only allegation is the amount that Duran McGee wanted to be paid. There's no allegation in that indictment about any money transferring hands at all. This was one conversation in a location where this guy wanted a job. And I will tell you, an official can't hire who they want.
If true, he's facing real prison time. I can't say how shocked I am.
Greg Watt is former state prosecutor and now a criminal defense lawyer who has litigated in federal court.
Our local FBI is the strongest and most sophisticated group of individuals that I've ever dealt with. They don't miss a beat, and they have the ability to find information where we had no idea it could have been found because they know exactly how to do their job and do it well.
Now, we did reach out to Duran McGee, although he did not respond to our numerous requests for comment. John?
Scott Kilberry at the federal courthouse downtown tonight. Scott, did LeVota give any hints today during his news conference whether, given the charges, he'd consider stepping aside as county executive?
Well, he was actually asked that question, and he did say that he still has 5 more months as county executive, although he did not commit entirely to fulfilling that role.
Scott, thanks. The indictment details a timeline of March 16th to March 31st. Phil LeVota had previously said he would not seek a full term as county executive. Then in a March 27th interview with me on For the People, LeVota said he was reconsidering not running.
They say, will you please reconsider running? We need you there. We need the stability. You're fixing tax problems. And if you're not there, it could go backwards.
So what I hear you say is with the filing deadline coming up on the 31st of March, you're rethinking that position.
I'm rethinking it because I'm concerned about the future. I'm not rethinking that I didn't really want to do it. I'm rethinking that I didn't know what I didn't know in September.
Hours before the Friday meeting with Duran McGee outlined in the indictment, a few days later, March 31st, LeVota filed his candidacy. He met with the FBI April 6th, according to the indictment. LeVota then withdrew his candidacy on April 24th. We don't know if his withdrawal was due to his meeting with the FBI.
Jackson County has a recent history of indictments of political figures, with some even going to prison. Former executive Mike Sanders pleaded guilty to corruption and bank fraud back in 2018. Sanders spent 2 years in prison. Jackson County executive Bill Waris pleaded guilty in 2004 to lying to the FBI after leaving office and received probation for that. You can keep up with this story on our website right now. Just head to fox4kc.com. That story is on our front page.